You ever get those gratifying feelings when you finish a body of work required for school or actual work, or it's something that you've done for family or things like that, and you know it's done and you know you can give it to them, hand it in, submit it, etc., etc. This is the moment, guys. I'm going to share this with you. Here it is. Oh yeah! Go, go, go. Upload, upload, upload. Please no fail, please no fail, please no fail, please no fail. Yay! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. The assignment is complete. Review the submission history. Boom! Dunsky.
Hello, good morning, guys. Jaja and I actually have a first birthday party to go to today. I think I was telling you about it yesterday. But yeah, it is about an hour until we have to leave, so I need to go down... I need to go down the street and get wrapping paper for the present and stuff. And she heard me in here talking, so she came crawling really fast. Yeah, funny thing, I've never actually met the chick that I'm going to the birthday party. I've seen her around and everything, but I've never officially been introduced to her. And yeah, she's got a son that's turning 1, obviously, so he's like, what, like a month and a half younger than Jaja? 6 weeks younger than Jaja. And freaking bubbles everywhere. So yeah, I started talking to her on Instagram, transferred to Facebook, and she invited me to, and Jaja, to her son's birthday. So we've been meaning to catch up and stuff, we just haven't got around to it. So yeah, it's like kind of weird but kind of cool at the same time. And she's trying to catch bubbles. Careful, Jaja. Oh, bubbles in the face. Bubbles, bubbles in the air, bubbles, bubbles everywhere. Do you like the bubbles? You like bubbles, don't ya? Oh, we climb it. You can't climb the wall. Look at them pudgy thighs. They're so cute. Oh, there we go with the OCD of having to close the door. Bye-bye. We're going to change your nappy, have breakfast and get you dressed? Nah, we're going to play bubbles. Yeah, we're playing bubbles. Okay, don't climb in the bath.
You were made for loving me. Best singer. Best. Best. Don't you want to talk anymore? We've been talking for 5 minutes. Ready? One more. You're silly. You're silly. You got the cord? Okay. You playing with Uncle's truck, are you? You playing with Uncle's truck? Uncle played with that little truck when he was like your age too? Yeah. That's how old that truck is. So you better not break it.
Bubbles, bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles everywhere. Bubbles, bubbles. Oh, look at you with the little bubbles. Hey? She's getting really game now. She sticks her face in them when they come through. So she's not scared of them anymore. Hey? Look at the crazy hair today. What's the story? You waving them? Hey? Come on. Got to go to bed soon. We're going on a big adventure tomorrow. We're going on the train. Yay! Yeah? Yeah, how are you walking? Ooh, good girl. Oh, it's only finished. What are you going to do? Yeah.
Oh yeah. You know what time it is, guys? It's golden gay time. Oh, not like that. If you're not an Aussie, you'll have no idea what this is. But it is... Dun dun dun! An ice cream. Oh, hello, that's me. That's the vlog that you're watching yesterday. I don't know. Yeah, yesterday's vlog. Look at that face though. Look at that face. Yeah, anyway, Golden Gaytime. You gotta look it up, guys. You'll look it up. I swear I'm not messing with you right now. This is an actual thing. This is an Aussie ice cream. It's been around for years and years and years, and it tastes fantastic. Look. I'll show you. That's what it looks like on the inside. And it's good, so good.